Founded in 2015, ORFELD is a technology company that focuses on the development, design and manufacturing of cordless vacuum cleaners. ORFELD cordless vacuum cleaners allow you to spend less time on quality cleaning, and spend more time on things you love. Let's discuss in details about the ORFELD C10G. The special feature of this vacuum is discussed below. White tick mark, intelligent sensor dust. White tick mark, 26,000 pascals, strong suction power. White tick mark, 50 minutes running time. White tick mark, 180 degrees rotatable flexible LED brush head. White tick mark, high efficient 5-stage filtration system. White tick mark, 65 dB ultra quiet mode. White tick mark, freestanding design. White tick mark, 3 gears, switch freely. White tick mark, washable filter and strainer. White tick mark, blockage protection function. White tick mark, 1 liter large dust cup. White tick mark, 27 to 43 inch adjustable vacuum. White tick mark, 7/24 hours service. White tick mark, 6-in-1 stick and handheld. White tick mark, 250 watts upgrade brushless motor. White tick mark, 2200 mAh long lasting power. White tick mark, suitable for hardwood floor and low pile carpet and marble floor. Smart auto mode. ORFELD C10G cordless vacuum cleaner uses the ADS, automatic dust detection, system, which automatically adjusts suction power in auto mode based on the amount of debris and dust detected, achieving optimal cleaning results while maximizing run time. 26,000 pascals, suction deep cleaning. The cordless stick vacuum is equipped with a 100,000 RPM brushless motor, which can produce up to 26,000 pascals powerful suction, 2-in-1 roller brush suitable for all floor types, easily removes dust, pet hair, large debris and deep dirt from carpets and hardwood floor. 50 minutes long run time. The stick vacuum cleaner is equipped with ABMS intelligent power saving tech, which can run for up to 50 minutes in eco mode, and can switch freely between 3 suction modes in manual mode to easily meet different cleaning needs. The battery has no memory effect and runs 20% longer than other stick vacuums. Air Force Separation Tech. The vacuum cleaner Air Force multi-cone cyclone system, and 5-stage high-efficiency fully sealed filtration system filters 99.99% of 0.1 micron particles, preventing secondary pollution and releasing fresh air, ideal for families with children and pets. Ergonomic design. Hardwood floor vacuum with LED headlights and 180 degrees rotating floor brush makes it easy to clean dead spots under furniture. Use the accessories to convert the vacuum into a handheld vacuum that can clean every crevice and corner. Blockage protection prevents damage to the motor. Easy to use and clean. The vacuum cleaner quickly empties a large 1-liter bin with one touch, without touching the dirt. Wireless and lightweight design, can be used anytime, anywhere. HEPA filters are washable and reusable, and last twice as long as traditional filtration systems. Warranty and maintenance. ORFELD products are provided with 2 years warranty and 7/24 hours customer service. Regularly clean the metal screen and HEPA filter to prevent insufficient suction power. Designed for different ground. Wireless vacuum 2-in-1 floor brush has a built-in independent motor floor brush that quickly handles all types of dirt, hair, paper, etc. On carpets and hard floors. Stand-up design. Humanized standing design, can stand anywhere, anytime, charging and easy to store, no need to hang wall drilling in the wall, no worry about vacuum cleaner fall down and break. Retractable metal tube. Suitable for different heights, Whether used in the storage room or in the bedroom or living room, you can easily adjust the length of the hardwood floor vacuum telescopic pole, convenient and practical and saves storage space.